Yes, good evening, Nehal, Hashvika, good evening. I'll be announcing the result by tonight, beta.
Okay, sir.
Okay, tell me, do you guys have any doubts from any topics like in the last class, I think we have finished polynomials, if I'm not wrong, in the last extra class.
Yes.
Hmm. Tell me, today what you want me to teach you? Do you guys have any doubts?
No, sir. No doubts.
Sorry,
No, sir. No doubts.
I didn't get you.
No doubts, sir.
ఉదయం సుహాస్ బాలేదు వీళ్ళు క్లాస్కి వెళ్ళిపోయి డాడీ ఫోన్ చూసి
Okay. Nehal, what about you, Nehal?
సార్
Do you have any doubts?
ఎస్ సార్ ఇన్ ది మిడ్ పాయింట్ అండ్ ది ఆర్థో సెంటర్ దట్ సార్
In coordinate geometry, where do you have doubt?
ఆర్థో సెంటర్ అండ్ ది సర్కంఫరెన్సెస్ that is there no sir. I saw the recordings.
Okay.
So that I can.
Okay. Okay, just a minute, we'll discuss it. Okay, so midpoint you want me to explain?
Yeah sir.
So yeah, sure. So basically, for suppose if you have an coordinates called a1, a as x1 comma y1, and coordinates of b as x2 comma y2, then midpoint of ab beta, there is a line segment called ab. Okay, there is a line segment called ab, something like this. This is a, this is b. Okay, this is x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2. Okay, and there is a midpoint called let's say m. So midpoint m, I denote the midpoint with m beta. Okay, so how do you denote this? Midpoint formula is here, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Correct, this is the midpoint formula. Okay, so it is a case of internal division beta. This is a case of internal division. All right, so this is a case of internal division. Now look at this here. I'll just I'll give a question. Let's find the midpoint of a line passes through point A 3 comma minus 2 and 5 comma 4. How do you find out midpoint?
Sir, a is equals to x1 means 3 and y1 means minus 2.
Yeah, this is x2, this is y2. Okay, midpoint if I take m, what is that beta? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So 3 plus 5, 8 beta, 8 by 2, 2 by 2 beta. All right. So 8
Yes.
by 2 is what? 4 comma 1. This is the midpoint. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Very simple, isn't it?
Yes. And the orthocenter,
Yeah,
the
I'll
last
I'll
exam.
explain. I'll explain. That is what we are going to talk about now. Let's talk about ortho center. Okay, ortho center of a triangle. Ortho center of a triangle. Okay, so ortho center of a triangle is what? Basically, the ortho center of triangle, you write here the ortho center of a triangle is the point where the perpendicular drawn from the vertices to perpendicular drawn from the vertices to the opposite sides of the triangle, intersect each other. So basically this is what. So you should know the couple of points here. For an acute angle, for an acute angle triangle, orthocenter lies inside the triangle. Okay. For an obtuse angle triangle, orthocenter lies outside the triangle. Okay. For an right angle triangle, the orthocenter lies on the vertex of the right angle triangle. Okay. So basically this is very important point. I'll just draw an example. I'll show it to you. Okay. This is triangle ABC beta. Okay. Triangle A, B, and C. Okay. So this is the, let's say if I draw a perpendicular bisector, 1 second. Here, this is a perpendicular I have drawn on the opposite side. I'm just denoting the point D. Okay, Nehal. I'm one more drawing a perpendicular from B to AC. This, let's say this is E. Okay. I'm drawing one more perpendicular bisector from where to where? C to AB. Where? F. All right, getting my point? Here it is shown perpendicular. This is over here. Getting my point? All right. So now the point O is the right. This is my what? So see, perpendiculars drawn from the vertex A, A, B, and C. Perpendiculars has been drawn from where to where? From A to BC, B to AC, C to AB. This has been drawn like this, right? Yes. Now, beta. So what we have drawn here? A to opposite side. What is the opposite side of A? BC. What is the opposite side of B? AC. What is the opposite side of C? AB. So from that vertex, there is a vertex called A. Whatever the opposite side we have, to that side I am drawing a perpendicular, and wherever they intersect each other, wherever the perpendicular intersect, so that is my orthocenter. That particular point is going to be what? Orthocenter, right? So
Okay.
they are these all yellow color lines are intersecting at one point called O. Am I correct? That particular point is what called as here. This particular point is called as orthocenter.
Okay, sir.
Orthocenter of triangle ABC is equal to O. Correct? Is equal to what?
O.
Simply, I would say that what I'm trying to say here is the O is the orthocenter. Here O is equal to orthocenter. Okay. This is what the basic Any doubts?
No, sir.
So now we'll talk about orthocenter formula. What is the orthocenter formula? Orthocenter formula. Okay, orthocenter formula. So if I have let A x1 comma y1, B as x2 comma y2, and C as x3 comma y3, and C as x3 comma y3. Okay. So and O is the point of intersection. What is that? O is the point of intersection of all the
The vertices.
perpendiculars called AD, BE, and CF. Okay. So this is what okay, these are what basically. So beta, first of all, what I need to do here, this is what you need to just understand. Now here, first of all, what I need to do here is like we need to find out slope beta. Okay. First of all, you need to find out slope of the line. I'll just tell you. Look at this. 1 second. First of all, what we need to find out the step 1. I'm writing step 1. Okay. Step 1, how to proceed, how to solve orthocenter questions. Okay. Step 1, how to do. First of all, you need to find out slope. Okay. First of all, slope. Find out slope. Slope formula I denote with m beta, and the formula for this is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the formula. Okay.
Okay.
Better look at this here. Slope of the AB I just found, right? Slope of the line AB. Okay. This slope of AB is what? You know, this CF is perpendicular to AB or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Perpendicular.
CF is perpendicular to AB. Now, what I'm going to do here is, now I'm going to find out perpendicular slope of the line is equal to what? Minus 1 by slope of the line. What is that? Slope of the line. Just simple formula. I'll just write to minus 1 by, or else you look at this here. Now simply let me denote this as what beta? M2. Okay. Let me denote this as M2 is equal minus 1 by M1. This is M1. Let me denote as M1. Okay. Getting my point?
Okay, sir. We should find the first slope and then we should do minus 1.
Yes. Yeah. Now look at this. So you just found this, right? So minus 1 by M. Now, so what I do is, look at this. First of all, you do one thing. This is what slope of the altitude of the triangle ABC. What is the slope of the altitude of the triangle ABC? Slope of the altitude of the triangle ABC. Now let us say that AC is the slope. I mean slope of AC. I just look at this. Let the slope of AC. I would take it as what a M of AC. MAC. Okay. MAC. How do you find out? MAC is nothing but slope of AC. How do you find out that? Y3 minus Y1 divided by X3 minus X1.
Sir, yes, sir.
X3 minus X1. Okay, need not remember anything. I'll tell you the formula. We'll solve the question. You will understand it. Now, similarly, how do you find out slope of AB? This is slope of AB beta. What is this? Slope of AB.
AB.
AB slope. Okay, slope of AB, AC, and just find out BC. Okay, slope of BC. B is nothing but Y3 minus Y2 divided by X3 minus X2. You understand my point? These are the slopes I got. Now slope of What is, look at this here, I'll just tell you, where is that? Slope of AB I found, slope of AB I found, okay, and the slope of the perpendicular line we just found, -1 by m1. Now slope of B is what? Look at this here, we just, what we found beta here, I just, slope of AC you found, right beta? Slope of AC you found. What is the perpendicular line to that ACB or not?
Yes, sir. I
Ah,
understood.
yes. Now look at it, sir. What is the slope of B is going to be now? Let me just draw, let me just take this figure here somewhat down. Okay. Okay. Now look at it here. So, slope of B is going to be what now? -1 by slope of AC.
Yes, sir.
Slope of,
Perpendicular formula.
why? Because both are perpendicular, right? So when
Yes,
two
sir.
lines are perpendicular to each other, the slope, product of slopes is equal to -1 beta. Now BC, we found BC. What is the BC here? This BC, right? Now which line is perpendicular to this? AD, right?
Yes.
AD or not?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Slope of AD is going to be what now? -1 by slope of BC. Very simple.
BC.
Now here what I did here, I'll just tell you. If you don't understand all this, simply what you do is, look at this. Remove all this. Slope of AB. Okay. Then slope of AB. What is the perpendicular line to AB here? What is the perpendicular line to AB? Tell me. AB. What is the perpendicular? CF. CF or not?
AD, sir.
Perpendicular CF. What is that? -1 by slope of AB.
AB.
All right. This is what the basically I just got. You understood, right? Just simple thing. We will solve your question. You'll understand it. Okay. See, so you just understood this, right? Now what we do is, we'll solve your question, beta. I'll just tell you, if you solve your question, you'll understand. So I'll solve your question. One simple question, we'll solve it. Okay. Find the ortho center of a triangle when their vertices are given like 1, 2, B as 2, 6, and C as 3, -4. Okay. So these are the vertices given to you. Just look at it. It's very simple. Let us draw a triangle now. This is ABC triangle. A has given 1, 2, B has given 2, 6, C has given 3, -4. Okay, let us draw a perpendicular to this. Let us call D. This is E. This is F. Okay, understand my point? Now we'll
Yes, sir.
talk about slope of AB. Slope of AB is what? First of all, let us find out slope of AB is nothing but MEAB. MEAB
M1
is
is
nothing but
equals
y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 beta. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, right? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is nothing but what? y2. y2 is 6 minus y1. y1 is 2 by x2 is 2 minus x1 is 1. Understand my point? 4 by 1 is nothing but 4. Correct?
yes, sir.
Now slope of BB found. Now slope of CF is going to be what? Then slope of CF is going to be what? -1 by 4 or not?
Yes, sir.
Very simple.
Because it is perpendicular.
Because it's perpendicular. Just now I told. For suppose
Yes,
slope
sir.
of, yes, look at it here. Slope of AB is nothing but slope of AB is m beta. Slope of AB, let's say that is equal to m1. Slope of CF is going to be what? -1 by m1. That's it. You understand my point? Because perpendicular,
Yes.
both are. Now same thing. Let's find out. Okay. Slope of AB, right? Slope of BC is what? y2 minus this -4. -4 -6 all divided by 3 -2, which is -10 by 1, which is -10. Okay, -10 I got. Now What is the perpendicular to? Then slope of BC, right? Slope of AD is going to be what, better tell me? Minus 1 by minus 10, which is
10.
1 by 10. Correct?
Yes, sir. Minus minus cancel.
1 by 10 minus minus get cancelled. Slope of AD. Next, slope of AC. Let's find out slope of AC. Slope of AC is what? Let me just pull this diagram somewhat down. Or else let's copy this and let's paste it at here so that you will understand it without any disturbance. Okay. Look at it. Slope of AC is what now? Tell me. Slope of AC is what? AC. AC. This and this. So minus 4 y, this coordinate, y coordinate minus this coordinate, this minus this.
Sir, y2
Tell me.
minus 5.
Y2 minus y1 is nothing but minus 4 minus 2 whole divided by x3 minus 1. So minus 6 by 2, which is minus 3. Then
1 minus 1 by minus 3.
Minus 1 by minus 3, which is 1 by 3. Fantastic job. All right. So this is what I got. You understood this, right?
Understood, sir.
Slope of B. Now look at this. Here, what I do here is, see here, we'll find out equation of this AD. I don't know the equation of AD, right? Let's find out the equation of AD. Okay. Equation of AD is, the formula for this is beta, equation of AD. Okay. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So we know the slope of AD, right? Slope of AD is what? So y minus beta a. What is y1 here? What is y1? Tell me. AD. I'm talking about AD. What is the y1?
Sir, 1.
2.
Okay. I understood.
X1 y1, right?
Yes,
Is
yes.
equal to slope of AD is what? Slope of AD is what? Check. Slope of AD is what? 1 by 10 or not?
Yes, sir.
So 1 by 10, I'm just substituting there. 1 by 10 into x minus x1 is what, beta? 1.
1.
Very good. So this is my equation of AD. That's it. So 10y minus 20 is equal to x minus 1. So x minus 10y minus plus 19 is equal to 0, beta. You understand?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Very
This
good.
became cross multiplication, right, sir?
Yes. This is the first equation. Let us take. Hashvika ji, are you able to understand, ji?
Yes, sir.
Please do listen the class, and if you have any doubts, you just ask me immediately. Okay. Okay, Hashvika. Hashvika ji, are you able to understand or not?
Yes, sir. I'm able to understand.
So look at this here. Okay, beta. Now what I do here is I just found the equation called equation of AD I found, right? So what I do here is, now we'll do beta. What we find now. Look at this. Equation of AD I found. Equation of BE is what now?
BE.
BE,
Sir,
same formula. That's it.
Yes,
Look at it
sir.
here. Same formula I'll be using, but
Why?
slope I'll be changing this. Y minus y1 is equal here. Slope of AD, right? Slope of AD. Slope of
Yes.
BE here. Slope of BE is equal to x minus x1. So what is x minus x1 now? What is x1? B. This is x1. This is y1. That's it. So y minus y1 is
Yes,
what?
sir.
6. Slope of BE is what I just found. Look at it. Slope of BE is what? 1 by 3 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
1
1 by
by
3 we will substitute there. So x minus x1 is what? 2. So 3y minus 18 is equal to x minus 2. So x minus 3y plus 16 is equal to 0. This is my second equation. Okay.
And now we should find the CF or FP.
Now, yes.
Same formula. We should apply.
Now what I do is need not to just do all that. Simple, like, we need to find out x and y values, right? That's it.
Yes, sir.
Solve this, like, we need just any two equations you find out. Unsolving 1 and 2. Unsolving 1 and 2. See, look at this here. Can I subtract 1 minus 2? Can I subtract second equation from the first, so that x will get cancelled? I can eliminate one variable, right? X
Yes,
minus 10y plus 19 is equal to 0. X minus 3y plus 16 is equal to 0 beta. Now eliminating, right? Minus plus minus. So this will be getting cancelled. So what are you left with now? Minus 7y minus plus 3 is equal to 0. Y is equal to what?
Y is equals to 7, sir.
Minus 3 by 7.
Yes.
Minus
Yeah,
3 by,
okay.
sorry, 3 by 7. Directly 3 by
Yes.
7. Minus 3 by minus 7. So minus
Minus
will be
10.
getting cancelled.
Cancel.
Y is equal to 3 by 7. Y is equal to 3 by 7. Okay. Now you substitute any one of the equation. Let me talk about second equation. Let me substitute y value in the second equation. X minus 3 into 3 by 7 plus 16 is equal to 0. So x minus 9 by 7
By
plus
7.
16 is equal to 0. X minus 9. So cross multiply 16 7 how much? 112 by 7 is equal to 0. X value is equal to how much? X minus 103 by 7 is equal to 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So x value is what? 103 by 7 is my answer. Okay. Any doubts?
Sir, there 103 no, sir. 107 you wrote.
Oh, 103, right?
Yes, sir.
103. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Or else you substitute in the first equation, you will get the same answer. So let's substitute. So anyway, this is my x and y value, 9 by 7 plus 16.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is your x. Therefore, x comma y, x comma y. See, x comma y, I need to find out better. Look at this here. See, why we are finding, look at this. I just found equation of this and equation of this. They are intersecting at that. That is what we need to find out. Point of intersection of these two lines is what orthocenter or not.
Yes,
Any two
sir.
equations is fine. So point of intersection of, so x 103 by 7 comma, what you got? 3 by 7. This is how you find out orthocenter of a triangle. Any doubts?
No, sir.
You got
Clear.
a clarity now?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, you need to find out any two equations. For that, we need slope of any two, slope of any two perpendiculars we need. Slope of any two perpendiculars. I just found slope of,
The slope of AB first.
slope of A,
We
no,
took
no, no.
the slope
Slope of,
is
slope of
one.
BE found, slope of CF we found, slope of AD we found. Okay, after
Yes.
finding that, we just found the equations of them. What is the equation formula? Y minus y1 is equal slope of that particular line into x minus x1. After that, I got two equations. After solving that, I got my orthocenter. Very simple. Okay. So if you don't make any calculation mistake, it will be definitely correct, beta. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir. No doubt.
Now,
No, sir.
yeah. Now centroid, you want me to teach centroid as well?
Yes, sir. Centroid.
Yeah. Centroid is basically very important concept. Basically, centroid will be different. I mean, it will be different in different triangles. Okay. So basically, this is the point. Central is the point where three medians of the triangle will intersect. Okay. So basically, so in right angle triangle, how the centroid will be? Let's talk about that. In right angle triangle, this is my right angle triangle. Let's say, okay. So this is the one median I can draw. This is the one median I can draw. This is A. This is B, this is C. Okay, let's say the D, this is E. Okay, this is the one median I can draw. This is F. This is centroid here now. Look at this.
Yes.
This is centroid.
Sir, for the ortho center also like that only, no?
Sorry?
Ortho center also like that only.
No. That is different. We are like, it is different. That is different. In ortho center, what we call that is point of intersection of all the perpendiculars. Here, point of intersection of all the perpendiculars. Here, that is the different. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Here we say that point of intersection of all the medians. All the medians. So centroid of centroid, right? You say centroid of right angle triangle and centroid of square. How it will be in square? Look at it. This is a square. Let us say this is a square.
Point of intersection.
Okay. This is a centroid. That's it. Basically,
Okay,
what is the
sir.
properties of centroid here? Centroid will be in the center. Okay. So, yeah. Centroid formula is very simple actually. The formula, what is the centroid formula here? For suppose, let's consider a triangle. Let a triangle A x1 comma y1 B as x2 comma y2 and C as x3 comma y3. Then the centroid of triangle ABC is and then the centroid of the triangle ABC is equal to x1 plus y1 plus x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. 1 second. X1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, beta. This is what the centroid formula. How the triangle will be? If I say triangle something like this, this is A x1 comma y1. This is B x2 comma y2. This is C x3 comma y3. Okay, this is what the centroid. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes,
No, sir.
very simple. So any doubts then this?
No, sir. Just we should substitute that values only.
Yes, that's it.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So circumcenter. Circumcenter, shall I talk about circumcenter?
Yes, sir.
Sorry?
Yes, sir. Tell that.
Yes.
Circumcenter.
Circumcenter. Of a triangle. Circumcenter of a triangle. So it is what basically the point where the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of that particular triangle intersect. Okay, for suppose look at it, I'll just draw a triangle here. This is A, this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. So if I draw a perpendicular bisector like this, and if I draw a perpendicular bisector like this, and I draw a perpendicular bisector like this. Okay, all these points intersect into this, right? This is a perpendicular bisector. The point This is the point, right? All the perpendicular bisector are intersecting each other. That point P of x comma y is what? Perpendicular bisector. Okay. I mean,
Okay.
circumcenter actually. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, this is the basic kind of formula. I'll just tell you. Look at this here. First, we'll solve a question, and you will understand. Let us talk about the formula as well. So, find the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle ABC with the vertices A 3, 2, B as 1, 4, and C as 5, 4. How to find out circumcenter of the triangle? Very simple. I'll just tell you how to find out that. Look at it. These are the points given to A, B, C points, right? Okay. So first of all, what I do here is first of all we need to find out any two bisector equations. Okay. Any two bisector equations. What is the midpoint of AB beta? Let's say this is D, this is E, this is F. Okay, this point. What is the midpoint of AB now? Midpoint of
Sir,
AB.
X,
Midpoint of AB is what? Tell me. A is what? 3, 2.
comma
B is
2, B,
1, 4.
5,
Midpoint of AB is what? 3 plus 1 by 2, 2 plus 4 by 2, which is 4 by 2 is 2, 3. Understand my point?
yes, sir.
Yes. So slope of AB is what now? Slope of AB is what? Slope of AB is what? Slope of AB is what? Tell me. Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus
Yes,
x1.
sir.
So
Yes.
y4 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 3. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 formula. So 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. 2 by minus 2, which is minus 1. You understand my point?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
You simply write like this. Okay, simple open bracket. Okay.
You
Clear?
should find the first midpoint of AB and slope of AB.
See, the slope of AB we found. Slope of that perpendicular bisector is what now? Tell me.
Sir, minus 1 by minus.
Perpendicular bisector is what? Perpendicular, right? The slope of that
Yes,
group.
sir.
That
Yes, sir.
group
Minus 1 by
minus 1 by 1. Minus 1 by
1.
minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Minus 1 by
It
minus
is
1 is 1.
1.
Understand my point?
Yes.
Now, equation. What is the equation? Equation of AB with slope with a slope 1. With a slope 1. And the coordinates. Coordinates. What are the coordinates that you have? 3, 2, 1, 4.
Yes.
Not 3, 2, 1, 4, sorry. 2, 3 coordinates. D we got, right? 2, 3. D we got.
Yes.
With the coordinates 2, 3. All right. So let me pull this diagram somewhat down. So tell me. So equation is what? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation. Same equation. Y minus
Yes,
y1.
for
Y1 is what?
the
3. M is what? 1. X minus x1. So y minus 3 is equal Ayyo, 1 second, 1 second, guys. Oh, it become clumsy, right?
Yeah, sir. Another triangle is been.
Let me erase this then. And the coordinates, so 2, 3 I got. Okay, yes. So y minus y1 into x minus 2 here, correct? So x minus y, shifting all variables one side, x minus y. So plus 1 is equal to 0. This is my equation of AB, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is what we got. So first of all, let us take this as equation number 1. So similarly, what you do is find out equation of anything, equation of AB or we found, equation of AB we found, then equation of BC or anything you find, no problem. I think we have to erase this. Okay, equation of BC, let's find it out. Let's do one thing. Next,
Find out BC, sir.
we'll talk about AC. We'll talk about this AC. Okay.
Okay.
Midpoint of
X,
AC.
X1.
Midpoint of AC is what? F is equal to, what is that? X2 minus X1. So 5 plus 3 by 2,
X1.
4 plus 2 by 2, right? 8 by 4. 8 by 2 is 4. 6 by 3. So this is what I got, F. Correct? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now equation is what? Slope is what? Slope.
Slope.
Slope of AC is what? Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus
Yeah.
X1. Y2 minus 4 minus 5
4
minus
minus 2, 5 minus 3.
2 by
2
2,
by 2, sir.
which
It
is
will
1.
be 1.
Okay. So equation of AC is what now?
1.
Equation of AC.
Equation means
Equation of AC is what? X minus X1.
X minus
Not Y minus
Y1.
Y1. Y minus Y1
Y
is
minus
equal
Y1 is equals
into
to
X minus
M
X1.
into X
Y
minus
minus Y1. Y1 is what? 3. X
3.
M is what? X minus X1. Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Slope of AC here. Okay. So y minus 3 is equal to x minus 4. So x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2, beta.
Sir, we should solve the substitution.
Both the equations we need to solve. That's it.
Subtract, we should do 1 minus 2. First equation and second equation.
Oh, 1 second, 1 second. Slope of AC only we found. Slope of and slope of that perpendicular we don't know, right? Slope of perpendicular is what? Slope of perpendicular is what?
1 minus 1 by
Slope of the perpendicular.
minus 1 by 1, 1, sir. The answer.
For perpendicular bisector
Minus 1 will be.
is equal to 1 by minus 1, right? Or minus 1 by 1.
Yes,
Minus
sir.
1 by 1. Minus 1 by 1 is nothing but minus 1. So now slope of AC is what? Slope of perpendicular bisector is nothing but slope of, we need to use slope minus 1. So minus x plus 4. So plus 7 you get here. That's it. X plus y minus 7. That's it. X plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Solving 1 and 2 now. Solving 1 and 2, what you're going to get? X minus y plus
Minus y plus
is equal to 0. X minus y
1
plus
is
1 is equal to
0.
0. And x plus
X
y
plus
minus
y
7 is
minus
equal to 0.
7
So
is
adding
equal.
these two, adding these two, adding these two, look at it here.
So then it will be plus minus.
Yeah, 1 plus 2, right? We are doing
Yes.
adding, we are adding. This will be getting cancelled, beta. If I add so,
Yes. Positive and
2x
negative. So.
minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 3. If x is equal to 6, then from the second equation, I'll just 3 plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Y minus 4 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 4. Okay.
We got y value. Good.
That's it. This is what? This is what? Therefore, circumcenter is what? the circumcenter of triangle ABC is equal 3, 4. This is the answer. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Any doubts?
First,
No.
sir, first we should find the midpoint and that slope, and after that perpendicular. And we
Perpendicular
should
bisector.
substitute
So
1
then
minus 2.
equation. Then see beta, what you need to do here is, let me tell you. Look at it here. First of all, you need to find this coordinates of f beta. Okay. Okay. Then you find out the slope of AC. Okay. You will get that. Then slope of this line. Slope of this line is there, right? PF.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Slope of PF is going to be what? Minus 1 by slope of AB. Understand my point?
Yes, sir, because it is perpendicular.
Because it's perpendicular, right? So now you will be finding the equation of this green color line is what? Y minus y1 is equal to slope of that PF into
Equation
x
formula
minus
we
y.
should
That's
use.
it. You will get one equation from this. Similarly, you find
And
out
second equation we should
equation. That's
minus
it.
or plus.
Same story. Yes. Find out the
Yes.
midpoint of D. How do you find out midpoint of D? You will be find out midpoint of the D by using what is the B coordinates given to you? 1, 4 here. It's got erased. Got erased. 1, 4 given to you. Okay. So we just found the 1 second. We just found the midpoint of AB as well, which is D. Okay. Then we find out what slope of AB we find. Slope of AB, why do we need to find out? To find out the slope of this, blue color line. Okay. Yes. After that, we'll find out one more equation. If I solve both the equations, I'll get my answer. That's it. Any doubts?
Yes, sir. Circumcenter will come.
Circumcenter also. We learned orthocenter, circumcenter, and the centroid. So these are the
Yes,
main.
sir. Same processor for the 3 of that.
No, centroid is different, right? X1 plus X2 plus X3 by 3, and almost like orthocenter is also
Midpoint will be different. Sir.
midpoint will be here. Midpoint we'll be finding out. Here we'll be finding midpoint. So
Yeah.
basically, you need to circumcenter is nothing but point of intersection of all the perpendicular bisectors. That is what circumcenter is.
Yes.
Orthocenter is what? Orthocenter, point of intersection of all the perpendiculars. Okay.
Of all the medians.
Yes, it is easy only.
Orthocenter is what? Yeah, point of intersection of all the perpendiculars. Perpendiculars drawn
lines.
from the opposite. Look at it here. Point of intersection of, look at it. This is the point where the perpendicular drawn from the center opposite sides intersect each other. Where they intersect, that is the point we call orthocenter actually. Okay, beta. Any doubts?
No,
Any
sir.
doubts? Okay. So
No.
yeah, if you don't have any doubts, we can make a move now. If you have any doubts, I'll just clarify.
No, sir, no doubts.
Okay.
So can you post the result?
I'll post these notes. Don't worry.
No, sir. Results, sir, of this
I'll
today.
post not yes, today itself. I'll post it today itself without fail. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you. Any doubts, Hasvika ji?
No, sir.
Thank you. So shall we leave now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Goodbye. Thank you, beta. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.